គ្រឿងផ្សំដែលយើងត្រូវការធ្វើនំស្រួយនេះគឺមាន tapioca starch. The ingredients that you will need to make this nom sroi, you will need tapioca starch, you will need mung bean starch, masao sadai bai, you will need mung beans, sadai bai, sesame seed, krap ngo, and you will need shredded young coconut. Hai nang dong like a chu hai, good dong chay. And you also need pandan extract. Khmer ខ្ញុំមិនដឹងគេហៅអីគេទេនេះគឺជារបៀបរសជាតិមួយគេហៅ panda. And then this is optional. You will need red food color. អានេះយើងអាចដាក់បានឬមួយមិនបាច់ដាក់បាននេះគឺជាពណ៌ម្ហូបយើងធ្វើឲ្យនំនឹងពណ៌ក្រហម You will also need sugar, oil, and salt. ហើយយើងត្រូវការស្ករប្រេងហើយនិងអំបិល The first thing you want to do is you're going to rinse the beans 3 times and cook it like you normally how you cook rice. ជាទីដំបូងយើងនឹងលាងសណ្តែកបាយនេះ3ដងហើយយើងនឹងដាំវាដូចជាយើងដាំបាយអញ្ចឹង After the mung beans is cooked, you're gonna put it in a mixing bowl, and then we're gonna add in our sugar and salt and the pandan extract. បន្ទាប់ពីសណ្តែកបាយយើងឆ្អិនហើយឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំកំពុងយកធ្វើ snow and we're gonna make the filling with the mung bean. So I'm gonna put in the sugar. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំកំពុងដាក់ស្ករ and then I'm gonna put in the pandan extract. ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកខៀវហ្នឹង pandan extract ហ្នឹងហើយបន្ទាប់មកដាក់អំបិលបន្តិច Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And what we're going to do is we're going to smash until it becomes a very thick paste. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងវាយសណ្តែកនេះឲ្យវាបែកឲ្យវាស្អិតជាប់គ្នាហើយខ្ញុំនឹងmoveវាធ្វើជា snow. And then after that, you're gonna roll the mung bean into a little ball filling. So after mixing, this is how the consistency of the filling look like. បន្ទាប់ពីយើងកូរហើយនេះគឺជារូបភាពដែលសណ្តែកបាយដែលបានខ្ញុំកូរយើងត្រូវការឲ្យសណ្តែកបាយនឹងស្អិត You want the paste to be dry and sticky. If it's a little bit runny, you can put it on the stove and put it on low and stir it until the water evaporate. បើបងប្អូនសណ្តែកបាយយើងសើមបន្តិចយើងអាចដាក់លើចក្រានវិញហើយយើងបើកភ្លើងបន្ថយទូចហើយយើងកូរវាឲ្យសណ្តែកនឹងស្ងួតទឹកទៅហើយយើងទុកឲ្យត្រជាក់ And then after you finish mixing your paste, you just gonna let it cool down and set aside. ហើយឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំទុកឲ្យសណ្តែកបាយត្រជាក់សិនមកខ្ញុំmoveវាដូចជាកូនបាល់ Then after that, when it's cooled down, I'm gonna roll into little balls. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to roll the ball. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនរបៀប move សណ្តែកបាយ You just want about one teaspoon of the mung bean. នេះជារបៀបកាហ្វេ And then you're just gonna roll it into a little ball. Just like that. Okay, and your stainless steel mixing bowl, you're going to add in your tapioca starch. នៅក្នុងចានដែកនេះខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់ម្សៅ tapioca. And then I'm going to add in my mung bean starch. ហើយនឹងម្សៅសណ្តែកបាយ And then I'm going to add in the shredded young coconut ហើយនឹងដូងខ្ចីដែលកោះហើយ And then next I'm going to add in the sugar បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករ And then salt ហើយអំបិល And I'm going to put in the oil and then praying and last you're gonna put in water ហើយចុងក្រោយយើងដាក់ទឹក and after that you're gonna mix it and then បន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងកូរឲ្យម្សៅរលាយ and you're gonna mix this until all the flour dissolve and it form a thick kind of thick or watery liquid យើងនឹងកូរវាឲ្យម្សៅខាប់ហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងដាក់លើភ្លើង and after that you're gonna put this stainless steel mixing bowl on top of your stove and cook the flour. And then you're gonna stir your flour. Have stop now. You're gonna go masao or the lid, and then you're gonna put on the stove. Hai stop now. You're that masao le plung or and. So now I'm cooking the flour on medium high heat. ឥឡូវនេះយើងកំពុងតែបើកភ្លើងឲ្យម្សៅនេះឲ្យយើងអិតតិច ភ្លើងខ្ញុំបើកនេះគឺក្តៅល្មមកុំឲ្យខ្លាំងពេកហើយកុំឲ្យតិចពេក and next I'm going to add in my red color ហើយបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំដាក់ពណ៌ក្រហម I'm just going to stir it. So after you mix it, it becomes this kind of slimy paste. បន្ទាប់ពីយើងកូររួចវាដូចរៀងតែដូចចេះល្អិលណាអាហ្នឹងយើងបន្ថយភ្លើងឲ្យទូច and then you're going to lower down your heat to low, and then after that we're ready to steam our នំហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងចំហុយនំ So in a pan or in a saucepan you're going to grease the tray so it doesn't stick when you steam it. ហើយយើងនឹងចំហុយវានៅក្នុងចានប៉ែងទូចឬមួយក្នុងចានរបៀបអញ្ចេះដែលបើយើងមានហើយយើងដាក់ខ្លាញ់បន្តិចកុំឲ្យវាស្អិតជាប់នៅក្នុងចានហ្នឹងហើយយើងលាបវា So first you're going to fill in your tray បន្ទាប់មកយើងដាក់ម្សៅនៅក្នុងចានហើយបន្ទាប់ទៀតយើងដាក់ snow and then after that you're going to put in your filling in each one of those tray. So here I'm going to put it in the tray here. And you're just going to press it down. Okay, and then you're going to do for all tray. And after you put the filling inside the tray, you're going to put another layer on top to cover the filling. And with that, I'm going to add my snow. Okay, just going to put a little bit to cover it. Okay, there you go. Okay, after you fill the second layer, you're going to use a banana leaf to cover it so when you steam it, the water doesn't get into the dough. បន្ទាប់ពីយើងដាក់ម្សៅទី2រួចយើងយកស្លឹកចេកគ្របវានេះខ្ញុំកាច់ដូចជារូបបេះដូងឲ្យឃើញស្អាតហើយដែលយើងដាក់ស្លឹកចេកទៅលើឲ្យវាកុំឲ្យទឹកស្រក់ចូលនំពេលយើងចំហុយវាហើយយើង and you're going to shake it down a little bit so the flour can, you know, fall down to the tray. ហើយយើងនឹងកត់វាឲ្យម្សៅធ្លាក់ទៅក្រោម And then you're going to steam it for 15 minutes. ហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងចំហុយនំនេះ15នាទី So after your nom cool down, a little bit, you know, cool down, you're gonna remove it and just put on a plate here. So, bên nomយើងត្រជាក់រួចយើងកបិតមួយយើងកណ្ដាឆ្កឹះវាចេញមក and then just use like a butter knife and just take it out. There you go. You have a little heart. And just kind of, you know, fix your heart a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I am toasting my sesame seed on medium high heat. Em pung linh ngô, em linh plung like out thing, and I'm gonna let this cook until it turns golden brown. Hai em đang ăn về riêng for a pancake. There you go. I'm gonna turn it off now. Now em bật plung ngay lên chân này. And this is optional for the sesame seed. You can put it in or not. Crab ngô đi. Tam là dân cho chất, và bao phần cho chất crab ngô, dân linh mệt tóc hay dân đã bị lơ nồng. Okay, everyone. So here's my daughter Angelina. She's gonna taste the num and tell you how it tastes like. And just let you know, Angelina, she's not a very fan of coconut dessert. So go ahead, baby.
Okay.
Okay. What kind of texture does the num has?
Sticky.
Sticky, okay.
Sweet.
Sweet, okay.
And yummy.
Yummy, all right. Can you taste the crunchy of the coconut?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. And anything else you would like to say?
I give it 10.
You give mommy a 10? Okay. So there you go, guys. My daughter gave me a 10 on the num sroi. And if you never had num sroi before, this one has a chewy and crunchy texture on the outside and sweet in the inside because of the mung bean filling. Hai bà ông ôm đã banទទួលទាននំនេះទេនំនេះមានរសជាតិស្វិតស្រួយហើយនឹងផ្អែមដោយសារស្នូលសណ្តែកនៅខាងក្នុង And the reason why I'm doing this video is because it was a request from an aunt who videoed herself and sent it to me through Facebook, and she requested for me to do this. ហើយដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើនំនេះមានមីម្នាក់គាត់បានសុំសំណូមពរហើយគាត់ថតវីដេអូផ្ញើខ្ញុំតាម Facebook ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ហើយខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាគាត់នឹងសាកធ្វើមើលតើមានរសជាតិដូចនំដែលគាត់ធ្លាប់ពិសានៅស្រុកខ្មែរអត់ And I hope she give this recipe a try and tell me how it goes, and I hope that it tastes similar to what she had in Cambodia. So if you like my video, hai bàបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តវីដេអូខ្ញុំ don't forget to press like សូមកុំភ្លេចចុច like មួយ comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hi, until the next video, thank you, and good night.